Hi, this is Coach Rob, and here we have another unboxing video. Today we're going to unpack the Amazon Basics Lightning Card Charger Coil Table. They ordered the black one, and this is to charge the iPhone in the car through the 12-volt section. I have my old iPhone here so we can show you how this will work. And so we'll open this up and we'll take a look at this. I haven't opened it up yet, but I have broken the seal. Right, this is exciting to see things open up on the video. Right, so we're going to open that up, and here it is here, and it's got a protector on there. So we'll take that off here, and this is made by Amazon Basics. So I'm assuming it's going to be it's going to work. Of course, I haven't tried it out yet. Right, and there instructions in the bottom here. Oh, there is. I'm not sure what the instructions will say. It's pretty basic how to use this. Well, it's probably just a safety, right? It's additional information. This symbols for Canadian compliance. Canadian and United Kingdom compliance. So is that all that's on there? Yeah, that's all that's on there. And this has been found to comply with the limits of Class B digital device provided to the Part 15 of the FCC rules. Yeah, so these are, it's an official product. Like sometimes when you purchase things, like they're not 100% certified. So I don't know how they get away with selling it. But anyway, to show you, it is the lightning cable, right, and that's going to plug in, and that's a good fit, right? And you've seen this here, right? And in the previous video you saw me do an unboxing of the Norco, or sorry, NOCO two-way splitter. So as we said before, that goes in one end, that goes in the car, right? Then this here will just plug into there, right? And that's your charge. So that's pretty cool, right? Yeah, that just goes in there like that. So now you have that in there, and you got a coil on the charger. So it's all going to work out good. So please like and subscribe to this video. We're really trying to build the channel. We have a lot of hockey videos we're doing. We're talking about the Victoria Royals of the WHL and the Vancouver Canucks of the NHL. So please check out those channels, and check out all my other videos. We have Shannon's Reaction. We have Identity Cooking with Coach Rob, but we're going to try to get back into that soon. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fantastic day.